Hey, how we doing? Another little video for you of our trip up to Wales. We're up at my good friend Chris Hull's family. They own a cottage and a little cafe up on this lake. It's a private lake. This is Lake Crafnant, or Llyn Crafnant. And yeah, I've been up here a couple of times. Chris isn't here today, he's at work, but Mum and Dad are in the cafe just over there. And the good thing is that as they know me now, they allow me to use the Canadian. And we've got one apiece. Dave's in front of me at the moment, but I'll catch up with Dave in a minute. So it's just nice just to get out. It's a private lake. They've got brown trout, rainbow and Arctic char. And Arctic char is a very ancient species related to the trout, which date back to like the last ice age. They're a remnant of the ice age, and there's only about five lakes in North Wales that actually have them, and this is one of them here. They're a protected species. So yeah, it's pretty cool to be able to get out onto the water. I'll catch you in a minute. I'm just going to pop you on pause, so just bear with me. Not a bad little view though, eh? Not a bad little view. Something a bit different again for a video. Let's pop you on pause. Hey, there we go. There's Dave. Dave's got his Canadian. So yeah, we'll just come up into this little spit. Just gonna have a little pit stop. Yeah, not bad. What do you reckon, Dave? All good. Not a bad little area. Not at all. We are blessed by the weather again. It's a bit more breezy. Obviously, we're in like the lake's in like a valley, like a hidden valley. Big hills and that on both sides. Big sort of tree line along there. There's an old quarry working up over there. And that peak just up there, where that, if you hike up over to that, go down the other side, that takes you to Shabab Cafe, which is where we had a bit of breakfast earlier. That's pretty cool. But yeah, it's just nice to come out, get on the water for a bit. Yeah, not bad, eh? Pretty cool. I've actually camped over here before. They've let me camp over here, which if we just come across here, step across the steppy stones. Now, Carl, Jay, if you're watching my vid, the Wild Restaurant, Hazard Outdoors, I am going to bring you to this lake, my friends. This is where we're going to come and have a little paddle, what I've been telling you about. And I have camped just up in here. This is pretty cool in here. I camped up in here, and I literally, we're just going to go into the tree line. I put my tent just there. Chris comes over here with his boy, and that, look, there's a little like debris shelter in there. Don't know if you can see in there. Yeah. So yeah, we might come up over here, take you for a little bit of a wander. It's pretty cool. Let me pop you on pause. Yeah. Ice back on. Yeah.
Right, go on.
Yeah. Yeah, nice little debris shelter in here. There you go. Do you know what? Probably get 2 or 3 of us in here, guys. So, Carl, Jay, you might find yourself staying in here, mate. Shh. Be warned. Let me pop you back on pause. Hang on. Chris has water traversed all the way up.
Like a gill scramble.
Yeah, like gill scramble. Yeah. Yeah, that's a lake. This path just comes up. There's a forest track that goes up there. So he tends to go up. He started like cutting little lines in.
Yeah.
He's a fucking man mountain. He's like 6'4". I know likes to swing an axe and he loves a chainsaw.
I can't argue that.
No.
Two good combinations.
Yeah.
You've got any Nordic tattoos yet?
No.
Yeah.
No, not yet, no.
Well, we didn't get our fucking tattoos till a bit later.
No, true. True. Can go in a little bit on there. I don't know how much it's grown. It's a little bit of a marshy bit. It's got a couple of little bits that go in. So me and Chris have paddled in there, but you get in and then you have to back paddle back out. It's where all the kingfishers and that's it. That's it. That's the end of our little video. Cracking little bit of time. Excellent. Catch you guys soon. Bye.